Welcome to this tutorial on using the Serpstat API. This API will be handy if you're an SEO specialist looking to automate your workflows, a developer integrating SEO data into your applications, or a marketing analyst searching for insights. Before we dive into Serpstat's specific features, let's quickly understand what an API is. API stands for Application Programming Interface. It's essentially a messenger that allows different applications to communicate with each other. As we can see in these slides, an HTTP request has four key components: the URL, the unique location for the resource; the method, which describes the action to perform, like get to receive data or post to send data; headers, providing context like location, language, or desired response format; body, optional data being sent with the request. Serpstat's API gives you access to the platform's SEO and marketing data. This means you can automate repetitive tasks, increase productivity, reduce human error, and save time. Integrate Serpstat's features directly into your tools and dashboards. Build custom reports and notifications. Access to a comprehensive keyword, backlinks, and domain data. Bonus features are SERP crawling and search volume detection services. Let's get started by exploring how to make your first call to the Serpstat API. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to harness the power of Serpstat's API for your projects. Serpstat's new public API rolls every major feature of the platform: keyword research, rank tracking, backlink analysis, site audit, SERP and search volume crawling, plus full project management, into one REST-style interface that speaks JSON. With a single token, you can pull the data straight into Python notebooks, BI dashboards, Google Looker Studio, or your own SaaS. Now that we understand the basic components of an API request, let's make our first call to Serpstat. We'll start with the Get Regions count. This simple request tells us exactly where Serpstat collects data. As you can see, the JSON response shows us all the search databases Serpstat tracks, from Google US and UK to Germany, Ukraine, and many more regions. This is perfect for knowing which markets you can analyze before planning your campaigns. Our second call is where the magic begins: getSuggestions. Look how simple this is, just a few lines of code. We're sending our seed keyword sauce pricing to the US Google database. What comes back? Dozens of autocomplete suggestions with their search volumes, perfect for content planning, PPC campaigns, or discovering what your audience is actually searching for. This single call just replaced hours of manual keyword research. For our third call, we're using getOrganicCompetitors page to instantly understand our competitive landscape. Instead of manually checking dozens of competitors, one API call gives you the complete picture of who's fighting for the same keywords as you. It gives you a visual snapshot showing which domains share your keywords. Our fourth call analyzes backlinks with the getSummary v2. This request delivers your total backlinks, referring domains, and most importantly, your toxicity score. This tells you instantly if the site is growing healthy links or attracting potentially harmful ones. No more waiting for weekly reports. Set this up to run daily and catch problems before they hurt your rankings. Our final call is perhaps the most powerful: getKeywordsSerpResultsHistory. This endpoint gives you a day-by-day snapshot of the top 100 results for any keyword in any region by the Rank Tracker project. This method does not spend API credits. There you have it, 5 simple API calls that replace dozens of manual exports and reports. With just these endpoints, you can build powerful automations like a backlink monitor that alerts your team via Slack when toxic domains surge, or a SERP tracker that captures how Google's pages are changing results for your seed keywords. To transform your SEO workflow, all it takes is your API token, a tool like Postman, and less than 30 lines of code. Visit Serpstat API documentation with the link in the description to start automating your first SEO workflow in under 5 minutes.